ano na po ba yung update natin sa DepEd, Madam Chair? Kasi mayroon ng instructions ang DBM na magbayad na po. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Your Honor, starting September payroll, they are already authorized. They meaning all our regional payroll system units. Through the memo issued by the Finance and HR, we already issued it 2 weeks ago so that they can prepare the NOSA or the Notice of the Salary Adjustment. Upon the release of the NOSA, the allotment per coordination with DBM, we were authorized to use our savings in the meantime. And they will replenish us. So immediately po, this September, about 3 regions have already released their salary differential. 5 regions are already partially released. And the remaining 6 regions are in process. So effective September, they will already get their salary differential, and the January to August din po ay makukuha rin po ng lahat ng taga-Department of Education.
Okay, thank you.